Want to get key takeaways from a YouTube video without watching the whole thing? Let me show you how to use RecCloud AI YouTube Video Summarizer. It automatically extracts the main points from any YouTube video in seconds. Here's how to use it step by step. Go to the RecCloud AI YouTube Video Summarizer page. You'll see a search box where you can paste a video link. Open YouTube in another tab. Find the video you want to summarize and copy its URL from the address bar. Head back to RecCloud and paste the link into the box. Then click the Summarize button to start the process. Wait a few seconds while RecCloud's AI processes the video. When it's ready, the main summary will appear instantly in the Summary tab. If you'd like to see the full subtitles, switch to the Transcript tab. This gives you a complete word-for-word transcript of the video. To save your results, click the Download button. You can export the summary or transcript as a text file, or just copy the text for notes and reports. And that's it! You've just summarized a full YouTube video in seconds using RecCloud AI YouTube Video Summarizer. Try it yourself at reccloud.com/AI-YouTube-Summarizer and start saving time today.